As we have discussed many times before here on ATA, the Supreme Court determined in the 1968 case of Terry versus Ohio that officers may stop and detain individuals based on reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Section 16-3-103 of the Colorado Revised Statutes codifies this authority, and also empowers officers to require Terry detainees to give their name and address, identification, and an explanation of their actions. However, under the protections of the Fourth Amendment, this authority to detain and identify only exists when an officer has reasonable suspicion to believe that the citizen has committed or is about to commit a crime. Here, the only evidence that Officer Long had to detain John was that he was wearing a face covering on a warm day and that he was allegedly in a so-called high crime area. Now, while courts look to the so-called totality of the circumstances in order to determine if reasonable suspicion exists, and the fact that an event may have an innocent explanation does not necessarily defeat a conclusion of reasonable suspicion, it is unlikely that a court would conclude that Officer Long had sufficient evidence to detain and identify John under these circumstances.
Yes. I wouldn't have anything illegal on me.
So you have to realize
somebody else's name.
You have to realize in our day-to-day, we get people
I got this. I got a lawsuit in Florida going about this, man. Because it's my right to privacy, and I look like a bum, and that's none of your business, you know. So you're right, none of your concern, anything like that.
I'm gonna take your mask off, lieutenant.
Oh, why are you taking my mask off?
So I can see who you are. I'm not gonna have you in the back of my car.
Bro, this is all illegal, bro. I should headbutt y'all right here in the face, bro. I'm telling you, on camera, man, they're literally kidnapping me. Bro, please bring the supervisor. Y'all literally take me in because you want to, bro. I'm literally trying to fix my car, man. It's crazy, man. I don't know none of my people's phone numbers, dog. You gonna give me my phone to get you in? Whatever, man. What's your name?
Officer Long.
Yeah, man. Officer. Thanks for kidnapping me. Thanks for kidnapping me, sir.
The card just is a gift card, so there's no name on it. So
Okay.
that's the best.
Okay. Let's look him up in here. We'll see if we can find anything.